Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, the next Python interview question is 40th question. What is this question is nesting of relational operators. Nesting of relational operators are allowed or not in Python. In Python. Nesting of relational operators. First, we know which are relational operators, like less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are called as what? Relational operators. Sir, is nesting of these relational operators are allowed or not allowed? Nesting means what? Can we take inside a relational operator another relational operator or not? Best example, I am printing 1 less than 2. What is the output that we are going to get? 1 less than 2 is true, right? That's why the output what we are getting is true. But sir, I am taking 1 less than 2 less than 3. Like this I am taking. This is called as what? Nesting of relational operator. Sir, how the evaluation? I am representing in the form of comments. 1 less than 2 less than 3. First, it is going to be converted like 1 less than 2 is nothing but what? True. So true less than 3. Like that it is going to convert internally. Okay. But in other languages, this less than operator is not supported for incompatible types. Means it is Boolean type, right? It is integer type. Can I compare two different values? No. Even in Python also it is not allowed. But luckily in Python, we have one small concept is there. What is that concept? Is this Boolean value can be automatically, this Boolean value can be automatically promoted to integer or not? Yes. So in the place of true, it will substitute the value 1 and less than 3. Sir, what output we are expecting? It is nothing but true. Hence, the output for second statement is also nothing but what? True. If you want, you can check. So this is nothing but is a nesting of relational operators are allowed or not allowed in Python means yes, it is allowed. But in Java, it won't entertain such type of things because in Java, Boolean values cannot be promoted to integers. This is nothing but what we have. Okay, right. Thank you, friends.